Meaning of friendship.
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 Friendship. Friendship is a strong bond between two or more people based on mutual respect, trust, and support. It involves sharing common interests, experiences, and emotions, as well as offering each other encouragement, advice, and companionship. True friends are there for one another during both good and difficult times, and value each other's happiness and well-being above their own. Friendship is an important aspect of human relationships that can provide a sense of belonging, reduce loneliness and depression, and enhance overall quality of life.